Welcome to Chef Don Kitchen. My name is Vinod Naik. Today we are making Goan fish curry, a pomfret fish curry, a Goan style. So to make pomfret fish curry, these are the ingredients we're gonna use today: garlic, 5 to 6 clove, ginger, around 20 grams, two medium-sized tomatoes, one green chili. If you like spicy, add more green chilies. About 12 to 15 curry leaves, fenugreek plant, olive oil or any oil, mustard seed, step free, salt, dry coriander seed, black peppercorn, turmeric powder, two medium-sized onion, Kashmiri red dry chili, kokum, and a fresh coconut. Kokum we're gonna soak at least for 10 minutes. Fish medium size, two pomfret. Coconuts, let's grate coconut. Make sure you taste it. If you don't like the taste, please change the coconut. That's most important. Let's make masala paste now. Add coconut, dry coriander seed, peppercorn, turmeric powder, and the chili. Add some water and grind them. Make sure don't put too much water, just enough of water. This is the consistency we need. That's the perfect sauce. Now, as soon as the pot is hot, add olive oil, then fenugreek plant, add garlic, cook for a few minutes, let it get brown. Now, add ginger, add curry leaves, and cook a few minutes again. Make sure it doesn't change the color. All we need a golden brown color. Smell nice. Add onion. Let's make golden brown onion. Add green chili. Wow, flavor I tell you, so amazing. Chopped tomatoes. Fresh chopped tomatoes, gentlemen, ladies. Please don't add 10 tomatoes. Put the lid on, cook 5 minutes, and our masala is something like this. Make sure you stir it nicely. If you use wooden pot, it won't get stick. So let's add salt now. Cook it 2 minutes. Add a sauce now, the masala paste. Yeah, add all the sauce. Now, kokum and the water. Use the same water what you was using to soak those kokum with some water. Please don't add more water. If you like a liquid or runny sauce, add water, not an issue. Our sauce is nicely cooked and ready. I can smell the flavor and the taste. And now we're gonna add fish. Add fish slowly, one by one. Make sure do not stir that fish curry now. You have to be very gentle, otherwise the fish gonna get break. It won't look good. The presentation is most important. If you see something nice, you will feel like eating more and more. See, that's the way you're gonna do it. Yeah, we don't need spoon there to ruin our taste. That's beautiful, gentlemen, ladies. I can smell. So beautiful and tasty. Let's put the lid and we'll cook for 8 minutes. 8 minutes is done now. Our fish curry is ready. Let's taste. Oh, taste is so great. And it's marvelous, gentlemen and ladies. You should try this. It's not greasy. It's not There are different kind of fish curry. This is one of the most popular as well. Presentation I'm making in a 3 different way. This is second, this is third. Rice, onion, pickle. Eat your way. Gentlemen, ladies, if you like the video, please subscribe and like, and do share with your friends and family. I'll see you again. Bye for now.